Every generation has champions, dreamers, and leaders shaping the future. At ANHSCA, we develop talent. From academics to athletics, we give students the stage to shine. The American National High School Championship Association seeks out today's brightest minds. We showcase their efforts and connect them with mentors who help them grow. Through mentorship and internships, we bridge potential and purpose. This empowers students to step confidently into their careers. Our programs, like the Speech Master Competition and the Octotank Challenge, are designed for impact. These platforms allow students to compete, collaborate, and create impact. Behind every student's success is a network of mentors, sponsors, educators, and volunteers. They believe in empowering excellence and building tomorrow's leaders. At ANHSCA, performance meets opportunity. Join us. Become a member. Sponsor a student. Volunteer. The American National High School Championship Association, where you make the difference.